If you're a busy working woman who wants to look polished, elegant, and professional without spending hours styling your hair every morning, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're looking at some of the best protective hairstyles for working women in 2026 and 2027. These styles are beautiful, practical, versatile, and perfect for women who want their hair to complement their professional image. So stay with me until the end, because you're going to see plenty of inspiration that can work for the office, business meetings, special events, and everyday professional life. Let's get started. First, let's talk about knotless braids. Knotless braids are an excellent choice for busy women because they can give you a neat and sophisticated appearance while offering plenty of styling flexibility. You can wear them down, pull them into a low bun, create a ponytail, or style them into an elegant updo. For a professional environment, medium-sized knotless braids can be particularly beautiful because they create a clean and refined appearance without looking overly complicated. Next are neat cornrows. Cornrows are timeless, practical, and incredibly versatile. Straight-back cornrows can create a sleek professional appearance, while more creative patterns can add personality to your look. If your workplace has a conservative dress code, you can keep the design simple and elegant. Pair the hairstyle with a structured blazer, a beautiful blouse, or a sophisticated dress, and you instantly have a polished, work-ready look. Another beautiful option is the braided low bun. This is perfect for women who love an elegant and mature appearance. A low bun keeps the hair neatly secured and works beautifully with professional clothing. It's especially suitable for important meetings, interviews, presentations, church events, or any occasion where you want to look sophisticated and put together. Now, if you prefer twists, Senegalese twists and Mali twists are excellent options to consider. Twists can give you that effortlessly elegant appearance, while still allowing you to experiment with different lengths and styling options. You can wear them down for a simple everyday look or pull them into a low ponytail or bun when you want something more formal. And let's not forget about braided updos. A beautiful braided updo can instantly transform your appearance. It keeps your hair secured while giving you a very feminine and sophisticated finish. This is one of those styles that can easily take you from the top office to dinner without requiring a complete change of hairstyle. For working women, versatility is extremely important. You want a hairstyle that doesn't only look beautiful on the first day. You want something that can fit into your schedule and remain manageable throughout your busy week. That brings us to another popular option, medium box braids. Box braids offer countless styling possibilities. You can wear them loose, create a high bun, make a low ponytail, or style them into a half-up, half-down look. For a professional setting, consider choosing a neat installation and a length that feels comfortable for your daily routine. Remember, professional does not have to mean boring. You can still express your personality through your hairstyle while maintaining a polished appearance. Another beautiful choice is the sleek braided ponytail. This style is simple, feminine, and perfect for women who love a clean silhouette. It works particularly well when paired with minimalist accessories and professional clothing. If you love hairstyles that look effortless but still make a statement, this is definitely one to consider. Now, let's talk about protective updos. An elegant updo can be a wonderful option when you want your hairstyle completely secured and away from your face. It gives you a clean and confident appearance and can be particularly convenient for women who have long work days. When choosing a protective hairstyle for work, however, don't focus only on appearance. Think about comfort, maintenance, hair health, and your workplace environment. A hairstyle can look beautiful, but if it is excessively tight or uncomfortable, it may not be the right choice for you. Always prioritize a comfortable installation and avoid unnecessary tension around your hairline. Another important factor is your morning routine. If you're constantly rushing to get ready for work, choose a hairstyle that requires minimal daily manipulation. This is where protective styles can be especially convenient. Instead of spending a significant amount of time styling your hair every morning, you can focus on maintaining the hairstyle and keeping it neat. And remember, your hairstyle is only one part of your overall professional appearance. The right hairstyle paired with clean, well-fitted clothing, simple accessories, and confident body language can create a very elegant impression. You don't need an extremely complicated hairstyle to look expensive. Sometimes, simplicity is what makes a hairstyle look the most sophisticated. So whether you prefer knotless braids, cornrows, twists, box braids, braided buns, or elegant updos, there is a professional protective style that can work beautifully for you. The key is to choose a style that matches your personality, your workplace, your lifestyle, and your comfort level. And if you're currently trying to decide which hairstyle to choose, don't feel pressured to pick immediately. Look through all the styles in this video. Save the ones you love, and think about which one would fit naturally into your daily routine. Because the best hairstyle isn't necessarily the most complicated one. It's the one that makes you feel confident, comfortable, beautiful, and ready to take on your day. So, which of these protective hairstyles is your favorite? Would you choose elegant knotless braids, classic cornrows, beautiful twists, a braided bun, or a sophisticated updo? Let me know your favorite in the comments. And if you enjoyed these beautiful professional hairstyle ideas, make sure you subscribe to Shula's Hairstyles for more protective hairstyles, elegant looks, easy styles, and 2026-2027 hair inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, your hairstyle should make your busy life easier while still allowing you to look and feel your best. I'll see you in the next video.
Step in my chair, feel the magic begin. Shula's hands on your hair, let that confidence win. Twist and turn, every braid tells a tale. Queen in the mirror, watch how beauty prevails.